Why do children act the way they do? It's a question that has puzzled parents, educators, and scientists alike for centuries. The answer is far from simple, and it lies in the fascinating field of child and adolescent psychology. Child psychology, in its essence, is a branch of psychology that focuses on the mind and behavior of children from prenatal development through adolescence. It encompasses a wide range of subjects, from the genetic influences on behavior to the role of social and cultural factors in shaping a child's personality and actions. One crucial aspect of child psychology is understanding developmental issues. These are conditions or disorders that arise at some stage of a child's development, often slowing progress or causing regressions in areas such as speech, physical growth, and social skills. Developmental issues can have a profound impact on a child's life, affecting their ability to learn, communicate, and form relationships. Understanding these issues is not just about identifying problems. It's about understanding the child as a whole, their emotions, their behaviors, their thought processes, and their potential. It's about recognizing that every child is unique, and even the most common behaviors can have a multitude of underlying causes. Child psychology is also about solutions, finding ways to help children overcome challenges and reach their full potential. It's about guiding parents, teachers, and caregivers on how to support children in their journey, recognizing their strengths and nurturing their abilities. As we delve into this intriguing topic, we'll explore real-life case studies to better grasp the intricacies of child psychology. We'll look at how children's minds develop, how they form their sense of self and their understanding of the world around them. We'll delve into the complexities of developmental issues and their impact on a child's life. This journey is not just about understanding why children act the way they do. It's about gaining a deeper appreciation for the complexity and wonder of the human mind and the remarkable journey every child embarks on from the moment they are born. So, let's step into the world of child psychology. As we delve into this intriguing topic, we'll explore real-life case studies to better grasp the intricacies of child psychology. Ever wondered why teenagers seem so unpredictable? Well, welcome to the world of adolescent psychology, an intriguing puzzle that's as complex as it is fascinating. At the heart of this puzzle are hormonal changes. Puberty is a roller coaster ride of hormonal shifts that can make emotions feel like a whirlwind. One minute, your teenager might be laughing. The next, they could be in tears. These hormonal changes aren't just about physical growth. They're also shaping the way adolescents think, feel, and behave. Now let's imagine a young girl named Sarah. Sarah is an excellent student, but recently she's been struggling with her schoolwork. She spends hours in her room and her grades are slipping. Her parents are worried, but they don't know how to help. What's going on with Sarah? Sarah is wrestling with identity issues, another crucial piece of the adolescent puzzle. As teenagers grow, they start to question who they are and where they fit into the world. They're trying on different identities, exploring new interests, and figuring out their values. It's a time of self-discovery, but it can also be a time of confusion and stress, just like what Sarah is experiencing, but that's not all. Adolescents are also navigating the world of peer pressure. They're learning how to balance their desire to fit in with their need to stay true to themselves. They're making decisions about friendships, relationships, and behaviors, often without the benefit of adult perspective. Let's go back to Sarah. She's not just struggling with her identity. She's also dealing with the pressure to conform from her friends. They're all into a new music genre that she doesn't particularly enjoy, but she doesn't want to feel left out. So she spends hours trying to fit in, sacrificing her studies in the process. The puzzle of adolescent behaviors is intricate, filled with hormonal changes, identity issues, and peer pressure. It's a challenging time, but it's also a period of immense growth and potential. Understanding these challenges can help us navigate the tumultuous teenage years. Did you know that 1 in 6 children in the US has a developmental disorder? It's a startling statistic, but it underscores the importance of understanding these conditions. Let's delve into a few of these developmental disorders, starting with autism. Autism is a complex neurobehavioral condition characterized by impairments in social interaction, communication skills, and the presence of rigid, repetitive behaviors. For instance, a child with autism might struggle to make eye contact or interpret facial expressions, and they might become deeply distressed by changes in routine. Next, we come to ADHD, or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. This is a condition that affects a child's ability to focus and control impulsive behaviors. It might be the child who's always fidgeting, who can't stay seated, or who blurts out answers without waiting their turn. Then we have dyslexia, a learning disorder that affects a child's ability to read, spell, and sometimes even speak. It's not about intelligence. Children with dyslexia are just as smart as their peers. They simply process language differently, which can make traditional classroom learning challenging. Now let's consider a case study to bring these concepts to life. Imagine a child named Alex who has autism. Alex struggles with social interactions and has difficulty understanding and expressing emotions. But with the right support and accommodations, Alex has been able to thrive. Alex's parents and teachers have worked together to create a structured, predictable environment. And with the help of speech and occupational therapy, Alex is learning to navigate the world in their own unique way. It's important to remember that every child with a developmental disorder is unique. They each have their own strengths and challenges, and their journey will look different from that of another child with the same diagnosis. By understanding these disorders, we can better support and guide children who face these challenges. Remember, these children are not defined by their disorder. They are individuals with their own talents, interests, and potential. With patience, understanding, and the right support, they can lead fulfilling, meaningful lives. How much does our environment shape who we are? It's a question that has intrigued psychologists for centuries. The truth is, our environment, from the family we're born into, to the schools we attend, to the communities we grow up in, has a profound influence on our psychological development. Take the case of Mia, for instance. Mia was born into a loving, supportive family. Her parents took an active interest in her education, helping her with her homework, encouraging her to pursue her interests, and providing her with the resources she needed to thrive. They also set clear boundaries and expectations, giving her a sense of security and structure. At school, Mia was fortunate to have teachers who recognized her potential and nurtured it. They provided her with challenging assignments that stretched her abilities and helped her develop a love for learning. They also fostered a positive classroom environment, where students felt safe and encouraged to express their ideas and opinions. Within her community, Mia found additional support. She was part of a local sports team, where she learned the value of teamwork and discipline. She also volunteered at a local charity, which helped her develop empathy and a sense of social responsibility. The result? Today, Mia is a confident, well-adjusted young woman who is eager to make her mark in the world. Her story is a testament to the power of a supportive environment in shaping a child's psychological development. But what about children who aren't as fortunate as Mia? Children who grow up in unstable homes or attend underfunded schools, or live in communities plagued by violence and poverty? Their environment can have a detrimental impact on their psychological development, leading to issues such as low self-esteem, poor academic performance, and even mental health disorders. That's why it's so important for parents, educators, and community leaders to create supportive environments for children. Whether it's providing a safe, nurturing home, a stimulating school environment, or a community that offers positive outlets for children, every effort counts. Indeed, our environment plays a crucial role in shaping our psychological development. It's a lesson we must never forget as we strive to give every child the best possible start in life. So, what have we learned about child and adolescent psychology? Well, it's a fascinating and intricate field that plays a significant role in shaping the adults that children and teenagers will one day become. It's a journey filled with growth, exploration, and at times, challenges. But understanding this journey can truly make a world of difference. We've delved into the enigma of child psychology and the puzzle of adolescent behaviors. Both stages are marked by rapid changes, physically, emotionally, and mentally. These changes can often lead to behaviors that may seem perplexing to adults. However, when we understand the underlying psychological processes, we can better empathize with children and adolescents and support them effectively. We've also looked at the impact of developmental disorders, a crucial aspect of child and adolescent psychology. These disorders can pose significant challenges. However, with early detection and intervention, we can help children and adolescents manage these challenges and lead fulfilling lives. The environment, as we've seen, plays a pivotal role in shaping our psychology. A nurturing and supportive environment can promote healthy psychological development, while a negative one can hinder it. This underscores the importance of creating positive environments for children and adolescents, whether at home, school, or in the community. In essence, child and adolescent psychology presents us with a roadmap to understanding the complexities of human development. It equips us with the tools to navigate the challenging terrains of childhood and adolescence. By understanding the psychology of children and adolescents, we can better support them, guide them, and help them thrive. Remember, understanding the psychology of children and adolescents can empower us to better support and guide them through their developmental journey. So, let's keep learning, keep understanding, and keep making a difference in the lives of our young ones. Because at the end of the day, they are our future, and their well-being is a responsibility we all share.